Aiming to maintain the model's popular standing in the fiercely competitive midsize SUV arena, the 2019 Honda Pilot advances on all fronts, offering even more of the stylish looks, refined performance, and sophisticated technology that active families seek in a sporty utility vehicle. Available in LX, EX, EXL, Touring, and top-rated Elite trims, the Pilot gets a sweeping refresh for 2019. All trims now come equipped with a Honda Sensing suite of advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies such as collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, and lane keeping assist. The Pilot continues to present a commanding, well-planted appearance with muscular, well-balanced proportions. Standard LED low-beam headlights are upgraded in the Elite to multi-element full LED headlights, while all but the base LX receive LED fog lights and heated power side mirrors. LED taillights are standard. Able to seat up to 8 passengers in 3 rows or manage up to 83.9 cubic feet of cargo, the Pilot presents a versatile interior with a host of premium features. A redesigned standard instrument cluster incorporates a larger screen with multiple user-selectable displays. Meanwhile, all trims except the base LX feature an easy-to-use 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with simplified menus and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. Rear seat occupants benefit from an available updated rear entertainment system with a larger 10.2-inch screen. Heated front and rear seats are available, while the front seats of the Elite are also ventilated. The standard 3-passenger second-row bench seat is swapped for captain's chairs in the Elite. Sole engine for the Pilot is a direct-injected 3.5-liter V6, sending 280 horsepower to either front-wheel drive or available all-wheel drive. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission in the lower trims or a 9-speed automatic in the Touring and Elite. Variable cylinder management allows the engine to automatically switch from using all cylinders for maximum power to 3-cylinder mode for better fuel efficiency. Here are the estimates for fuel economy. In addition to the Honda Sensing suite of technologies described earlier, standard safety features on the Pilot include 3-row side curtain airbag system with rollover sensor. The Pilot is backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Whether it's meeting everyday needs or adventurous demands, the 2019 Honda Pilot delivers the comfort and convenience busy families expect of a midsize SUV.